Guys, this is an update for the Satoshi BTC Love Core where we'll be claiming our OpenX tokens, and this is an update which they brought about. For those of you who your wallet is outdated, click on here to update it either through APK version or through Google Play Store. Mine is updated, but this is still here. Now, I made a video before. I showed how to run the testnet, swap, and bridge, and so many people were saying they don't have core um network tokens, like the main net core, to use as gas fee, at least a little one to use as gas fee to claim the testnet USDT that you'll be using to do everything. You only need mainnet core only when you want to claim the free testnet USDT, and this core will not even cost to up to, it's not going to cost you close to $1. If it's even lesser than $1 to claim that USDT, very less. And so many people say they don't have. Please, I want to make something really clear. In the crypto space, I know we talk about free version of crypto airdrops on this particular platform. Yes, as did not actually. Some people did not pay gas fee when they received their ICE token. That's because they submitted the wallet straight from the exchange. While some people who submitted their Web3 like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, had to at least fund their wallet with 200 naira to 300 naira worth of BNB token to be able to transfer their token to the exchange where they're going to convert to their local currency, then straight to their bank account. Now, even though you're running an airdrop, you should also have some spare money in case there be a need. Yes, in case there be a need. $2, $3 worth of call will not be a problem for anybody. $1, $2 of BNB Smart Chain is a good one. $10, $5 of Ethereum is okay. There are so many airdrop I should have been talking about on this page, but I know a lot of people might not be interested because if I mention gas fee, and these gas fees are not even up to $2, they will lose interest. And those are the kind of airdrops that people cash out massively from $500, $200. I can testify to that. Okay, even the free version of it is still legit and good, but there will be a time when you have to interact with things on the project and you'll be needing a gas fee. Now, these gas fees are not even much. Try as much as possible to get yourself core token to do that testnet transaction, because it is going to mean a lot for you to claim this. I have made that video. Even though it's just to swap from the testnet USDT to long testnet, even though you don't do any other thing, they answer the KYC quiz and pass your KYC verification. I'll be talking about everything about the KYC in this particular video. Watch to the end. Get core. Some of you are like, I don't have core. Oh, how will I do? Please, how will I help you? I don't understand. Like, how am I going to help you when if I reply your messages, you don't even reply back for 2 weeks? The one that was crying, they need core, they want to buy core. I replied, I'm like, okay, how much core do you need? I will actually connect you to someone who will sell at a good rate for you, even though you need 1,000 naira worth of core, 2,000 naira worth of core, the person will still sell. Okay, because core is very cheap right now. It's less than $1 now. I don't know for now. So the person will sell from 1,500 and above. I will connect you to the person and you get your core tokens and even other tokens that you'll be needing to run any kind of transactions in this airdrop space, because you need to have some tokens in your wallet to carry out some areas of this. So why I'm saying all these things is because I know a lot of people will still come to my DM. They will leave in the comment section. They don't know how to get core. Even though I'm not answering your messages, or maybe what you're supposed to do as someone who's serious in the project, and for your hard work you've suffered for months to gather, even though it's 100 of this token you gathered or even 50 pieces, it's still something. You should go to YouTube, search for how to buy core tokens. Even before I post videos, you should be ahead of me. That is what I like people to do. It makes me really happy when someone I'm carrying along is even doing more better. Like, I'm always very happy about it. go and search how to buy it from OKX exchange or from any preferred exchange of your choice. You understand? You buy it, and the only thing is that when you're going to buy it by yourself, you would have to have up to a particular amount threshold before you can withdraw from exchange to wallet. So you have to find out if you can only be able to transfer $5 worth of call from the exchange to your wallet. You have to find out and know, because don't go there and buy $2 worth of call. I think you'll be able to transfer, but just try. Sometimes you can be able to transfer $3, $5. Exchanges differ though. It's not every exchange. Okay, try it with Binance or OKX and others. But if you know you don't have up to $5 to put in there and buy the code, transfer to your wallet, you can actually reach out to me. So I can connect you to someone that will sell it, send it to your trust wallet or your metamask. The only thing you have to do is to use me as your escrow. I will be the one to hold your money. When the person sent you your token, I actually transfer to the person. That is what I've been helping people do on this channel. Okay, so that's all. Now today we are going to actually be doing the KYC questioning. We're going to answer some questions to pass our KYC, because that KYC is really important. Firstly, the first link in the description is what you will click. Go to your metamask. I'm going to go to my metamask. Now before I go to my metamask, I want us to see something together, because a lot of people might still be reluctant and they won't even know when we'll claim this token this month. It's this month, they said. So you have to be prepared. I'm making this video to make sure in every area you are good to go. Okay? Now, see what is remaining for them to distribute. Very less. Okay, so estimated ending of this particular project, it will end April. Okay, that's next month. On the 13th of next month, that's 2 weeks time. Okay, this second to third week of next month, this particular project will come to an end. Estimated allowed coin withdrawal will be on the 20th. Today is already 19th, right? Let me see. Today is 19th, and tomorrow is the estimated withdrawal date. So if you're seeing this video, watch to the end. Now let's go to this is Aggie's website. The website I provided here, but I'm going to leave the links in the description. The first one is the one you're supposed to be using. There are other bridging you need to do. If you have not done the first one I posted a video about, go and search it in the channel. Go and search it in the channel. The OpenX testnet video I made. Watch to the end. Do all the tasks I showed in that video, please. Then come back and do your KYC version by answering questions. Now let's go to our MetaMask and proceed. So I noticed something about MetaMask. The new version, because I just updated, is now a little bit faster. You know, unlike before, it loads for like a very like it takes minutes to load up. So I think you should go update it, because MetaMask is only best used in Chrome extensions. There is faster and easy to navigate. The app is always very like it takes time to put up. So, important announcement again. Make sure the MetaMask wallet you're using is not a new one, rather the one you used while you claimed the core airdrop when we were mining the free BTC Satoshi core. Okay, but if you were not among the people that mine BTC Satoshi, you're free to use a new wallet. Okay, and that is the same wallet you should link to your withdrawal area, like where to withdraw. Now I'm in the Ethereum mainnet. I'm going to actually, that first video I made about this OpenX testnet showed every single thing, how to change network, how to add network, how to do every single thing. So go and watch at that particular one before you can be able to understand whatever I'm speaking here, because if you don't watch that one, you'll be lost in everything I'm doing here. So I'm going to click on the mainnet Ethereum and change it to my open long testnet, because I already added it. So this is it. This is my core blockchain. The first one you have to do is connect to core blockchain first. Okay, connect your core blockchain first, then before you use the link to actually, okay, let's connect to core blockchain. Somehow I'm going to start everything afresh, like review what I did in the other video so that you better understand. Okay, so this is the amount of core I have. Now when you switch it to your core mainnet, click on the browser option right here to take you to a new browser, to the browser section where you can paste the link I talked about. Okay, so I'm going to actually okay, this is where I was trying to do my what's it called, my KYC. Now I'm going to actually take you guys through this step again. I think I should do that, but watch the first video for the purpose of knowing how to add core blockchain, long testnet and all that. Okay, so I'm going to come to here and put in a new tab because I want to start afresh by claiming some USDT that will use to bridge again, do all those things to show you everything. That particular video was mainly to claim the free USDT and bridging from one token to another. And you must have core token to claim the first testnet USDT that will help you do all those things. Once you do that first transaction with your core mainnet, you don't need to use your core mainnet again. You will now be using the long testnet token and the USDT testnet token to bridge between other testnet tokens. Okay, so I'm going to actually paste in the link right here, the first link that will be leaving in this video description. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, this is the quiz one. Now I'm not looking for the quiz one, I want to use another one. Guys, you need to watch the end because I'll also be showing how to link your wallet as well. The wallet linking, since tomorrow is withdrawal date. Okay, so once you put in that link, come here to your keyboard and click on this icon right here, or just maybe tap on that and it will take you to the faucet website, the testnet faucet website, where you need to collect some faucet. Okay, my network is bad. So that first link you copy, you paste it and you actually come here. The next thing you're supposed to be doing is to connect your wallet. Make sure your metamask wallet is in the core mainnet because you're going to be using some few core tokens to claim the free USDT testnet tokens. Then after that, you don't need to use your core again. You will now be using your free USDT to claim other testnet tokens, bridge between one another. Now I've connected to my wallet. You will see connect to Web3 wallet. Click on it, connect, sign the transaction, and your wallet address is going to show here. Second thing to do is to claim testnet USDT by clicking on claim testnet USDT. See, you don't only have to do this thing once. You can come back and interact as many times as possible. Like this one is making me like, I don't know, more than 5 times I'm doing this. I'm going to click on confirm. See the amount of code they are taking, very less. So fund your wallet. If you don't know how to fund it, indicate in the comment section and maybe go to OKS exchange and buy transfer to your metamask to carry out this thing, because I don't want a situation where they will come up and say for only those that did testnet bridging and swapping blah 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 are the eligible ones and you will not be eligible. It will be very heartbreaking. Okay, so your token claim was successfully submitted. Please wait for 10 minutes. It has already been claimed, so there's nothing to wait for. Now after that, you're going to add long testnet. For example, you after that you go to test swap. Do this to add the long testnet into your metamask account. You be, when you click on it, you sign a smart contract, connect, you add. Very simple. Now let me do it and show you so that you understand. This is what you're going to see. It says switch to network. Now once you click on switch to network, it's going to automatically remove you from the core and put you in the long testnet. Okay, you have already done the adding. So for if you go to your metamask wallet, you will see the long testnet. Now if we click on testnet explorer, we're going to see information there, but we're not going to actually click there. Click on testnet swap. Testnet swap. This is more like I'm making this video from scratch. The only thing you need to watch that first video is for is how to add network and all that. Just make sure you digest the two videos to better understand every single thing. Okay, so we are here on the website and we're going to actually connect to the long testnet which we've already added to our metamask. Click on connect and click on metamask because we're going to be using metamask. Okay, now it is going to take you back to your metamask. Everything will be done inside the metamask app. I'm just going to wait for this to load up and then we proceed to the next step. So guys, remember to switch to long testnet which the logo is O. Okay, because if you leave it in a core mainnet, you can't be able to do this. So you're going to automatically switch it right here, because I've already shown you how to add it to your MetaMask. Now after you switch, you're going to find some USDT you have already claimed. This is it. And then scroll a little bit down, and this is the OpenX amount. Let's click on here. This is the OpenX test tokens. Agis test long. I've already done the bridging with these ones. So let's see. You can actually swap between all these ones you're seeing here. Okay, you can swap between all these ones. What you only have to do is to log in every day, claim free USDT with some few core, and then use that few USDT testnet token to swap between all these tokens. Okay, now I'm gonna actually do the long OpenX. It says Agis test token long. I have 21. Okay, OpenX test tokens. You can actually swap between the two. Then you can come here and swap between long as well. Okay, so firstly you need to have this one. Swap between Agis. Let me show you. I've already done that. Okay, just put in some, or maybe like example 1 USDT, and swap to Agis. If you swap to Agis, you're going to be getting 2 Agis. If you swap 1 USDT, you're going to be getting 2 Agis. Okay, I've already swapped between those two and have 21 Agis testnet. Okay, so now if I click on it again to swap another one, I can swap open testnet. I already have 13. For you that have not done the swapping between USDT and Agis OpenX test token, go and do that. I want to swap between the ones I haven't. I have already done with Corel testnet long. Okay, I have some 0.87. Now I've done the BTC test token long as well. I've not done long, so I'm gonna do long. I'm gonna swap between 1 USDT to long, and let's see, it is going to give me 0.04. One long is equivalent to 20 USDT, so I'm going to actually swap at 0.5 slippage tolerance. Okay, I'm going to swap at 0.5% slippage tolerance, then I click on confirm swap. Then I'm going to confirm that swap. Now the gas fee that will be taken is from the free testnet USDT that you have taken. Okay, the only only place you need core tokens is just to use it to claim the USDT test tokens. Then after that, you actually switch to OpenX long testnet and swap. Use the free USDT there to swap to any token. Your core balance will not be affected. I just hope you understand. Now there is something you might experience something like this. It says swap failed or non-error network request. Try to increase your slippage tolerance. Now I'm going to increase it to 1%. So I'm going to actually click on that. Come here and click on slippage. So I'm just going to increase it to 1% only, and click on this cancel button. Then come back and swap. Click on swap. You have to interact with and bridge with all these tokens. This makes your wallet really active on their system, and your airdrop is short. And the KYC I'll talk about after this place. Right now start talking about the KYC and linking of your wallet. So this video is going to be very long. For those that will complain, I don't know how to help you again, because I'm not going to actually shorten this video. I want everything to be shown on the screen. I'm not editing any part out. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it to swap successfully. So to confirm swap, I'm not getting any message to confirm it. Network glitch. A lot of people are on this, so the website will be very congested. You have to be here and do your thing. Okay, so finally I am going to click on connect. When you click on swap, you confirm swap, brings you to this page. Click on connect, confirm. Cannot read properly, testing of undefined transaction error. So you're going to be getting this error because a lot of people are on this, and they are working on so many things. Just try your best to make sure you swap between that free USDT to this long testnet token as well. Okay, I'm gonna click on confirm to swap. I just hope the network allows it. Okay, I'll click on confirm. Why formatting output from value, blah 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 blah, transaction error. So I think that they might not have enough liquidity or maybe network, so you can come and do this over and over again to make sure you swap between this USDT to a token. Make sure you bridge. Is really really important. Now let me actually try converting to the previous ones I have already done. Let me click on the core rail. Let me see if those ones are going to actually swap. I wanted to get this through. I wanted to swap between, make sure you swap between ossL, open staking share long, and the long itself. Make sure this two is among your lists. Okay, I'm going to actually wait for this to load up. Network is bad. So guys, after swapping this testnet USDT to any of these from that website, choose all these testnet and swap to them. You can swap 2 USDT, 3 USDT to any of them. The next thing to do is to go answer their quiz. Okay, so we're heading to their quiz website. I'm going to actually click here and open up in a new tab. You're going to actually experience a lot of network problems. Yes, you're going to experience it. So you just have to be patient, try and try again. Okay, and if you did it for the first time, no problem. So make sure you do your KYC as you're seeing this video. Now let's move to the KYC version. That will be the second link in the description of this video. Okay, right here you're going to connect your wallet. Right here, click on, you want to see where it says connect wallet, just click on to connect your wallet. Okay, once you connect your wallet, it is going to tell you either it is in the main net or long test net. So make sure you leave it in the long test net. Okay, now this is different. It says this is available for all languages. For me, I'm an English person. I'm going to actually click on start. Click on start. So guys, I have to refresh and come back. Now this particular link will be in the description as well. The long testnet quiz, you're going to see quiz attached to it. I'm going to click on start because I already connected my wallet and then signed it. All right, now it says what is an ICO. Okay, it is a non-profit fundraising method starting. No, it is a process of investing through cryptocurrency into new. It is, I'm going to choose B. Okay, do tokens on testnet have value? No, they don't have value. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open source blockchain based decentralized software. Make sure you take note of what I'm taking. How can you avoid scam links on Twitter? Only click on links sent by known contact. Don't click any links. Only click on link. No, I'm going to click on links sent by known contact. How does money move in the blockchain? Via bank transfer? Nope. Using prepaid debit card? No. With digital transaction between nodes? Yes. So I'm gonna click on submit. I just hope I get it right. Click on submit button. Sign. Submit. It says submit failed. Please check answers. Okay, I'm gonna check answers. I have passed the quiz. Okay, the one they said how to avoid Twitter scam is by not clicking any link. Okay, the rest is actually correct. The Twitter on which they ask how to avoid Twitter scam, click on by not clicking on any link. Okay, then you use the rest. So I have passed my KYC test and you have passed the stimulated KYC test and 10 long testnet USDT have been sent to your wallet. Each address can only undergo one test. So everything we are doing here is being recorded on their database. Everything you're doing. Okay. even though you don't bridge other token, but make sure you pass your KYC. Bridge at least 2 tokens. Swap from the USDT long testnet to any other token below. Choose any token. Even though the network is disturbing, try your best. Make sure to watch the 2 videos to know what you're doing. Now here we're going to actually click on this area that says bridge, and then we're going to stake as well. Let's click on the bridge section to see what it is going to be showing us. Okay. All right, it says not connected. Connect. So I'm going to connect. It is not connected. All right, if we click on max, I have nothing on the from core. This is the long testnet I'm using. Now it's going to say switch network. Nope, I'm not switching any network. Okay. Okay, let me check something. Let me click on switch network. Let's see. Now it's now in my core mainnet. So if I click on max, it says wrong network. So I'm going to click on transfer to another wallet, like change to another wallet. So let's go back to the USDT long testnet. So your core mainnet cannot do anything here because they don't need your main token. So I'm going to click on wrong network and click on switch to OpenX long testnet. So I have actually done that. So I'm going to wait for this to correct. Okay, we are in the long testnet, so it should correct. So I think I had like 0. Let me clean off this. I had like 0.00 something like 3, I think, and that will give me 0.003 long as well. If I click on to transfer, I have done the bridging. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this wrong network to come back to. Let's click on transfer first to see what is going to happen. If it doesn't respond, we'll just leave it because tomorrow is already the withdrawal date. It might be that these options have actually stopped working, and the main part of the video is just the testnet token swap and bridge, like I showed earlier. Then do your KYC by answering quiz. Now let me click on stake. So now I don't have all this. Why? Because when I was trying to bridge, the network was really bad. You understand? So I don't have all these ones now. Okay, so you might actually want to go and bridge again when there is network to see if you can come here and carry out this transaction. Now if you click on the staking area, let's click on staking. You can only stake these two, which is very important for you to go and get these tokens. My balance is 0. If I click on stake, I don't have any single long testnet or an ossL. Okay, so unless I swap my testnet USDT to these two from the initial page, which we are just coming back from, that is when I'll be having these balances. I haven't been able to do it because the network is bad, so I was not able to swap from USDT to long and ossL. So you have to go and do that before you come here and click on to stake right here. Okay, now if you click on claim, nothing is there. So guys, that is it. If I go back to wallet, let's go back to wallet. Okay, these are all the testnet tokens I have just Corel. I have Aggie Long, which is 21 pieces, is worth $13 according to them. This one is worth $8 according to them. So this is the only ones I have for now. in here. Okay, so it is telling me that the estimated balance here is supposed to be $95. Is it $95? Okay, this one is the one I claimed. $8. I have OpenX long 13 pieces, and which one again? I have Korean long. I have $0.87. I have Aggies $13 and other. So this is the total estimated testnet tokens I have, which means I have interacted with the platform and it has been recognized that I have this amount of testnet tokens. So what you need to do to actually come and bridge here is by going back to this area, aggies.org. The links will be in the description. Connect to Web3, switch to core. We are not going to be using our core for anything. Then come back here and use the test net swap. Okay, swap between the free USDT to ossL testnet and long testnet, so that you'll be able to go there and bridge. Okay, now make sure you answer your quiz as well. Check out the link for the quiz. You will see a link there that says quiz at the last part. Copy it, come to this metamask browser, paste it in there, connect, will answer the quiz. Everything there is not compulsory, but the quiz KYC is compulsory. So now let's head back to linking our wallet. Okay, linking our wallet.
Linking have not started yet, okay, because I wanted to be sure. Linking have not started because tomorrow is withdrawal, so linking would have supposed to start, but no problems, it has not started. Watch the video to the end. I will make sure I update on anything again. And if you're actually wondering if people who did not claim core token are not going to be able to claim, no, you can still create your new metamask wallet address and carry out the testnet activities. Okay, it doesn't really matter if you claimed core or not. Okay, so them saying that it must be the wallet where you claimed your core, it's actually, I think they have a little reward for people who claimed core in the past, and you should actually use your new wallet to do everything I showed in this video. It doesn't really matter if you claim Satoshi BTC. Now guys, that's going to be all for now. See you guys in my next video. Ask questions, subscribe, share and like. Bye.